No.
No,
stop. Stop.
Aww.
No.
He's not gonna let you go.
No. Come on.
You're not going anywhere. Not going anywhere. You're on candid camera. You're on candid camera. You're on candid camera. So I went to Dollar Tree and I got some cool stuff. I got a Webkinz canary. He's so cute. He was $1. I've been seeing Jillian buy a bunch of them, so I got a canary. They had like a goose, but I didn't want them. And I got this really pretty picture. I don't know if you can see. It says happiness in Chinese. Apparently, I really, really love it. I love the design and everything in it, and the tree. And I got my dad some cookies and Dylan some headphones. So now I'm gonna go get something to eat because I'm super hungry. Super hungry. And I gotta go get my mom something to eat later too. So, love you guys. Later. Later. I meant that, man. Man. Hey. Hey. So I rearranged, and so I put my stand closer to my bed because I like it better there. I like it to be seen when you walk in the room. I didn't like that it was so far off to the side. And there's my picture I got today. I don't know if you can see it, but today's vlog is really boring, and I've done nothing but go to the store, and I'm sad. But I'm going to write in my journal and watch American Dad maybe, if I feel like it, or I might just go to sleep. But tomorrow should be a better vlog. Bye.